Vinson. My website's go.yeswilliam.com. Today I'm sitting in the rain out in the parking lot waiting on Mom to get done with her doctor's appointment. I know everybody's got life going on too, so I had to do what I got to do today to get my video to you so that we can have our little conversation. And my website is pointed at a business challenge. So if you're wanting to get started in the online space, you can get a lot of things beneficial there, like a business plan and getting to talk to a coach about what you can do in this space and things that'll put this idea into perspective. For now, please like and subscribe and share with your friends my video. Today the subject is email list. I'm sure you've heard this term before. So let's figure it out. Why building an email list is so important today. 6 reasons and pointers in the right direction, okay? Are you considering building an email list but have some doubts about why it's needed? Many bloggers and business owners don't realize the importance of building an email list when they're first starting out. Most people usually change their mind when they see the impact email lists have on someone else's traffic and revenue. We hear about it a lot. So today, I'm going to share with you the top reasons why building an email list is important, and also show you how to start building your own email list step by step. I'm going to cover the following topics. What is an email list? Why building an email list is important. Social media versus email marketing, and what marketing experts are saying about email marketing. What do you need to start an email list? How to choose the best email marketing service. How to grow your email list and get more subscribers. Finding new list building strategies and resources. So by the end of this video, you'll have the answers to all your questions about building an email list. So the first topic, what is an email list? An email list is a special list of names and email addresses of people who gave you permission to send them updates and promotions from your business. You can build your email list inside of marketing software and send bulk email notifications to everyone regarding your blog updates, your online store, or other business services. So why is building an email list important? According to the Direct Marketing Association, email marketing on average sees a 430% return on investments, ROI, for businesses in the USA, because email subscribers joined your email list from your website and verified their identity to click on the link. They are extremely interested in what you have to offer. That is why they are more likely to convert into paying customers. In our business, email list gets 10 times higher conversions than social media campaigns. This makes sense if you think about the reasons that make email an incredible, powerful communication channel. Email is personal. The first reason is email is personal. Email allows you to land into your user's inbox. There is no ranking system limiting your reach. It's very direct and personal. Number 2, email is purposeful. To get updates from you, a user fills out a form to sign up for your email list and confirms their email address. Someone doing this much work is obviously interested in hearing from you, and they are much more receptive to your message. Email is targeted. Number 3, email is targeted. As we mentioned earlier, the user has already shown interest in your product or content. Since you already know what they like, you can deliver them highly relevant offers to get better results. This is what we call segmentation, and we'll cover that later. Number 4, you own your email list. You don't own Facebook or Twitter or Google. Your social media campaigns and your SEO efforts can go to waste when these platforms change their policies. On the other hand, you own your email list and it's not influenced by decisions of other businesses. Number 5, email is one-on-one. People read email in the privacy of their inbox. The message is not on a public timeline or a news feed. They can ask you questions directly in private with confidence. This helps build trust and connection. Number 6, more people use email several times a day. You've heard that Facebook has 1.4 billion and Twitter has 100 million active daily users. What you may not have heard is the number of people using email every day. Every internet user has at least one email account. A recent research conducted by Radicati found out that there are 3.8 billion active email accounts. That's half the population of the earth. This is precisely why every smart business in the world has an email address. Big name brands learned this lesson a long time ago, and that's why they spend thousands of dollars on social media campaigns to get people to sign up for their email list. They understand that email marketing is the best long-term investment with a much higher return because people will continue to get their message at a very low cost for a longer period of time. So the next topic, social media versus email marketing. Now you're probably thinking, wait a minute, what about social media? In fact, we've been asked several times, isn't email marketing kind of dead with social media taking over everything? The best way to answer this question is to look at the information Twitter and Facebook ask you about before you can create an account. It's an email address, isn't it? These companies know that emails are the most direct and reliable way of getting in touch with their customers. Even if you sign up using your phone number, they're going to keep bugging you about your email address, and they're going to use the excuses for password recovery options, or most importantly, to send you targeted email messages. All social media platforms are building an email list because they are smart business owners. This helps their valuation when selling their business. While social media is a very great way to reach your audience, it's important to keep in perspective the timely nature of social media platforms. They come and go. Not long ago we had MySpace, FriendFeed, Google Buzz, Plurk, and countless others. Most of them are either dead now or irrelevant. Today we have Facebook and Twitter that are prominent, but not everyone enjoys these platforms. Some people prefer Instagram, Pinterest, WhatsApp, Snapchat, LinkedIn, those kind of names. Basically, your users are all over the place on different platforms, but studies show that at least 91% of consumers check their email on a daily basis. I'm not saying that social media isn't important. It is, and you should explore every opportunity to reach your audience. However, you should spend more time and effort into getting something that guarantees higher results. So you want to know what the experts are saying about building an email list? Don't take our word for it. Listen to what all the top marketing experts are saying about email marketing. Out of all the channels I've tested as a marketer, email continually outperforms most of them. That's Neil Patel. Getting an email address is the first critical step to figuring out who my reader is, and hopefully, in the future, my customer of some sort. Joe Pulizzi, he's the founder of Content Marketing Institute. If you're not building an email list, you're making a huge mistake. Derek Halpern, founder of Social Triggers. Email is the most predictable driver of growth and sales in our business. I prefer email marketing over all other channels. Syed Balki, founder of WordPress Beginner. Many expert marketers say that their biggest mistake was not building an email list when they first started out. With all the reasons above, we can hope. With all those reasons, we can hope. Now, with those reasons, I hope you're convinced that building an email list is important for your business. But now you might be wondering, how do I build an email list? So I'm going to talk about that for a little bit. First thing you got to do is choose an autoresponder, an email marketing service. So which one's the best email marketing service? There's a lot of them out there. Often people use the free option to save costs, which is understandable. However, some of these free platforms are not the best. Why? Because they mislabel themselves as an email marketing agency when in reality all they offer is a free blog subscription via email. This allows your users to receive an email update every time you publish a new blog post. But that's not true email marketing. Here are some of the downsides of using a free blog notification service. You can't send out private email newsletters. To send an email, you have to publish a new blog post, which means that the information you want to share will have to be publicly available first. You can't personalize the email message. It'll be delivered in the same format, often with no branding or personalization. You can't categorize subscribers by interest or demographics or content type. There's no reporting. You don't know how many people you're getting on your email, what percentages of users opened it, and how many of them clicked on your link. If you tried to move to a paid service, your users will have to reconfirm their subscription. Many of them won't do it, and you'll end up losing subscribers. This is why I always recommend using a professional email marketing service right from the beginning. Yeah, they cost a little bit of money, but they are an investment in your business which pays huge returns. I'm going to put a link in the bottom for the one I use, which you can start for about $15 a month. The benefit of professional email marketing services are you can send private mass emails to your subscribers. You can see subscriber activity and group your subscribers based on the actions they take. You can run A/B split tests to see which email subject line, which content, or which offers work best with your subscribers. With reporting tools, you can see which country you have the most subscribers from. You can adjust your time zone preferences and send emails at the right time, what they call the perfect time. Last, but definitely the most important, you can see the email addresses of all your subscribers. There are hundreds of professional email marketing services available. Once you've signed up with an email marketing service, the next step is to add opt-in forms to your website to allow your users to subscribe. Which brings us to growing your email list and getting more subscribers. Did you know that more than 70% of visitors abandoning your website will never return? It's true. Just look in your Google Analytics and look at the percentage of new versus returning visitors. That's why you need to convert every website visitor into an email subscriber before they leave so you can send them relevant messages to bring them back. An average internet user spends just a few seconds looking at a website. This gives you very little time to engage them. If your email sign-up forms are not noticeable, then users will leave without ever subscribing to your website. The biggest mistake that we see beginners make is not strategically placing high-converting opt-in forms. Some WordPress themes come with built-in sidebar widgets, but they don't convert as well. Your email marketing service may also provide you with codes to embed in your theme, but that requires for you to know code. There are other ways to get leaving visitors to stay and opt-in. I'll work on getting a list of them and prices on the next video so that you can see them. So, we're to list building strategies and resources now. So having the right tools is crucial. We know this, but knowing how to use them properly is what makes the most difference. In your email marketing strategy, the most important thing you should plan out is segmentation. What is email list segmentation, you might ask? Email list segmentation is the process of grouping your subscribers so you can better personalize your emails based on their interest. It helps you get higher open rates and click-through rates. Over the next few videos, I'm going to cover a guide to email marketing, how to grow a list faster, a checklist for creating a high-converting opt-in. Well, guess what? You know how things go. Didn't get to finish it out there, had to leave, so I'm finishing it now. So what's the point? Doesn't matter what kind of business you're in, what kind of website you have. So what's the point? It doesn't matter what kind of business you're in, what kind of website you have, or what industry you're in. As long as you're in business and you want to turn your visitors into returning customers, then you need to get them on your email list. I hope this helped you understand why building an email list is important and helped you get started on the right foot. I'm going to put a link in my description for list building the quick way. It's free, so enjoy it. Anything free anymore is good, and for no other reason it'll give you experience with working with a list and doesn't get into your wallet or your bank account. It's called Siphon Reloaded, so you have an idea what you're looking for. Like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you can keep up to date and save yourself a lot of time looking for productive ways to market. Till tomorrow, have a great day.